up, everybody? Christian here, and today we are going to be doing Fidget Spinner Challenge. Fidget Spinner Collection. Go subscribe to Ken Jackson. I am his uncle. He is amazing, and he has fidget spinners, and that is what inspired me about doing my fidget spinner collection. Okay, let's start off with the basic. You got the normal fidget cube, right? And just a fidget cube. Isn't really that much. You got a red one. Shiny. It was gave to me for a gift. And it is pretty crazy. Yeah, don't mind the music in the background. I got a black one. Look up to the camera. That's what it looks like. So there's that one. I just got a old red one.